Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at Tone AI. Now this is a brand new cloud-based web application that uses artificial intelligence, guys, and it can really help you guys out when it comes to creating content, creating articles, writing emails, creating audios, voiceovers, podcasts. You can also use this software to create sales videos, right? Now let me show you around what's inside here. So inside here, guys, you'll be able to create voiceovers, audio message, AI video maker. I'm going to show you that later in this video. Comes with email copywriter, blog and article creator, Google ad copy, social media ads copy, TikTok content AI creator, content transcriber, keyword idea ranking, social post manager. You can also add team members and manage clients right here. Right, it's a really great application, guys, and I really like this because they put in so much value into this application. Right now, before I'm going to show you the demo of this, guys, how this works, how you can easily create, because it's can really help you guys out in creating content. Now, if you're not a native copywriter or a native English speaker just like me, this can really help you guys out, right? Now, just like I said before, I'm going to show you the demo of this. Let me show you first my bonuses. That way you can have an additional value if you would like to pick it up through the link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. My bonus number one, guys, is I'm going to give you access to this script text-to-speech software. Now you can generate, premium and human-like voices with this software right here. My bonus number two, guys, is I'm going to show you how to make $100 to $200 selling different kind of services inside of your Tone AI in a secret marketplace. I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to do that to make $100 to $200 in this secret black market. Now this is not Fiverr, this is not for freelancer.com. This is not a saturated market that you can get in. I'm gonna show you exactly what market is this. That way you can get started and making like $100 to $200 selling only one services inside of your Tone AI application. My bonus number three, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to my YouTube ranking optimization blueprint. Now, this is the exact method that I use, guys, to get my videos eyeballs each and every day. And with this method, I'm able to get like 10 to 20 subscribers on complete autopilot. And I'm gonna show you that in this bonus number three right here. Right. My bonus number four, guys, is I'm going to show you guys how to create a professional vlogging website that comes with a free unlimited hosting. Now let me show you what kind of professional website that you can create with this. Alright guys, so this is the website, the professional website that you can create um, in this bonus right here. Now this comes with free hosting forever, and you can customize everything right here from from this photo section right here, from the header, everything right here, guys, is customizable. And as you can see, this is installed on my domain, and you can also do the same. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. This is not WordPress, alright, and you can easily create this. Now this right here is a lightweight platform, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. That way you can have your own professional blogging website, right? And then you produce article inside of your Tone AI, and then you post those articles into your website, all right? And you can easily create this. Don't need to have any technical know-how. It's basically choose a template right here, and it will automatically install your website and then change the content right here. All right. So that is my bonus number four. My bonus number five, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to easy copywriting software. My bonus number six is I'm gonna give you access to auto video creator software. My bonus number seven, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to traffic and SEO for your business. This can really help you guys out when it comes to driving traffic and monetizing your website through search engine. Bonus number eight, guys, I'm gonna give you access to 3D chatbot agent, right? So you can install this 3D chatbot agent into your website. And then bonus number nine, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to 100 plus product premium bonus bundle. So this includes like pillar products, um, traffic generating software, training courses, affiliate marketing training courses as well, is included in this bonus right here. Bonus number 10, guys, is all vendor bonuses. And you can see all those bonuses in the sales page. Let me show you those bonuses. Alright, so these are bonuses from the vendor. Bonus number 1 is 10x social. With this bonus, you can build video chat inside of Facebook. Bonus number 2 is a mail market kit, a brand new Google approved email marketing technology. And then next one is Sushi Field. You can build unlimited chatbots inside of Facebook using Sushi Send. Alright, so those are bonuses from the vendor, and all of my bonuses is waiting for you guys inside of your JVizu account after your purchase of Tone AI. Alright, so when you guys click that link, register first link down in the description of this video, this will take you to a sales page that looks something like this. Now the headline says, first of its kind AI-based technology to create tone-based and captivating voiceovers, reels, audios, messages, reviews, articles, podcasts, sales pages, sales videos, and a lot more in a blink of an eye. Okay, so let me show you guys what you can expect inside of Tone AI. So this is the dashboard right here. This is where you see how many projects that you have, how many researches, and then the results right here. Alright, so you have this copywriting tool, video use cases, SEO, an article use cases, social media use cases, product use cases. But I think this is part of the upsell. But in your front end investment, guys, should be able to access this AI video maker, audio message AI, voiceover, TikTok content AI. Alright, so those are the things that you can get access of your front end investment. Alright, so to create a voiceover, just basically click on this voiceover right here, and then this is where you generate your keyword. So let's say you wanted to generate make money online voiceover. So what you can do is click on generate, and this will give you some suggestions right here. So let's say you wanted to use this one, and this will give you this headline right here. So you want to choose this one, or it will automatically generate this voiceover for you. Right.
How to build a website? Are you looking to build a website for your business? There are many factors.
But you can customize everything right here. If you wanted to generate your unique article, you can also do that. And you can change the language right here. If you wanted to change the language, you can change the voice right here, and then you can change this the style, right? But basically you can customize everything right here, right? So once you've chosen your settings, you can just basically click on generate, and it will um, automatically generate your new voice
እንዴት ዌብሳይት መገንባት ይቻላል?
right here. So as you can see, the voiceover is generated. Now you can download this audio by clicking on this download right here. So you can also customize this one, and then you generate this, and then you download this audio right here, and you can preview your audio right here,
Building a website from scratch or
right? So you have this um, done for you VSL audio, and you have this intro right here, and you have this headline right here, right? So it's a really powerful software, right? So that's how you can generate voiceover, and you can customize everything. Okay, the second one, guys, is audio message AI. So it's almost the same thing. What you would need to do is to add in like a keyword right here. Let's say make money online. All right, so let's try to generate this keyword again. Right, so it will give you some suggestions right here. Let's pick this one right here. Right, so it will generate you this audio right here. Basically you can customize this again, then you can download this and upload this on Facebook and WhatsApp. All right, and by the way, you can also copy the content and convert into PDF if you wanted to do that, and then
your friend just
you can
told you
preview that right here. You can change the language if you wanted to do that, and then the voice, you wanted to select the voice and then download the audio right here. Right now, the next one, guys, is AI video maker. Right, and this is where you create a video. Now I've created a video a while ago.
Need a second income, but time is limited.
So I created this video using this artificial intelligence. So let me try to create a video again. So let's click on this button right here, and this is where you customize this video. Now you can choose what format. It's like a storytelling videos, or marketing promo videos. So let's try to use this marketing promo videos. Alright, and this is where you enter a description. Now this is a really powerful choice because you can generate ideas or headline ideas if you wanted to do that. Now you can add in a headline right here. Let's say make money online. Right, make money online, and then if you don't know what description you wanted to put in, you can just basically click on generate right here, and it will give you this just this description idea right here. Now what you can do is you can copy this and then paste that right here, and it will automatically you know um, generate this idea for you. And then what you can do now is you can choose the language, what language that you want. Let's say English right here. Change the voiceover if you wanted to do that. Change the style, and then you're gonna also add a video. Let's say money. Let's say search on money videos. You have this videos right here, and you can choose this videos right here. Now these are royalty free videos, so you can select this one, and this will add into your video right here. What you can do now, guys, is click on this generate right here, and it will automatically generate that video for you. Alright, guys, and this is where uh, it's gonna prompt you if you wanted to to customize this content to regenerate this one if you wanted to do that. But if you don't want to do that, just basically proceed to generate video, and your video will be rendering. Alright, and yeah, that's it. So you can preview the video right here, and while it's rendering and processing. Alright.
Need a second income but time is
Alright, so yeah, and then email copywriter right here. So you can generate like an email. So let's say make money again. So if you wanted to, if you don't know how to write an email, it is a really useful tool, right? So you have these suggestions right here, 10 ways to make money. Let's say this one, right? So you have this, headline. You want to choose this right here, and then this will give you this descripted, um, idea. So you can have this, email right here, and just basically copy this, right? If you wanted to use this, right? So it's really powerful, right? But basically you can customize everything if you wanted to do that. But basically this will give you this done for you email copy that you can automatically use and plug in into your email marketing software. Right. So next one, guys, is blog and article creator. It's almost the same thing. Just basically click on new article right here and generate a new content like make money online. It will suggest you to generate a headline. So let's say when I choose this as a headline, and then you choose this as our intro right here. Now it would probably takes a couple of minutes to generate the intro. Okay, so our article is created. So it's really powerful tool, guys, right? You can copy the headline right here, and then this is your article, and you can post this into your website or to the blogging website that I'm gonna show you as a bonus, right? Right, so that is the vlogging article creator. Now you can also create Google Ads copy if you wanted to create a Google Ads copy. It's almost the same thing. You would, add in a keyword right here. It will generate your headline. It will generate your description, and then it will generate your ad copy. All right. Social media ad copy. It's almost the same thing. You will generate the headline and then the description and then your copy right here. All right. Then the next one, guys, is this content TikTok creator. Now you can create fiction stories, and then you can create lyric sounds if you wanted to do that. And then let's try this one right here, and then it will generate this, this, let's say make money again. It's almost the same thing, right? You get the point. Uh, right, so you would copy this headline. All right, so and then you would customize. Then you can preview the audio right here.
Best ways
You
to
can
make
download the audio right here, and then upload this into your TikTok account, right? Because you can basically customize everything right here, right? So it's almost the same thing, right? And then content transcriber, you can also do content transcriber. You would click on this transcribe now, and you just choose a video file or an audio file, it will automatically transcribe the audio, right? And you have this keyword idea and ranking right here. You can also use this, and then social post manager right here, and you can also add team members if you wanted to add team members. You can add team members right here if you wanted to do that. Then this is where you can also manage clients if you have clients. You can also add clients right here. It's a really powerful tool, guys, right? So this is where you edit the settings, your team members right here, your projects, and then if you have this reseller account, then you can, this is where you manage the reseller account, right? I think that would be in this video, guys. It's so powerful tool. It can really help you guys out when it comes to creating content, writing copy, creating voiceovers, audios, blog articles. It's a really powerful and all-in-one tool. In one dashboard, you can get access to this, amazing, amazing, softwares for just, one-time payment. All right, and this is only, guys, $47. All right. For the front end, you get access to this, amazing software right here for only $47. So if you wanted to upgrade your account, there's a pro version which is $67. So you get this, article blog creator, just like the one that I show you right here, which is this one right here, article blog creator. You also get this content transcriber, social media ads, and then Google ads, right? OTO number two, guys, is advanced. You can generate up to 50K characters on social media, blogging accounts, then lifetime access to multiple copywriting tools, and access to 30 plus tone of voice content writer. So yeah, those are the things that you can get access to OTO number two. OTO number three, unlimited social media accounts, unlimited video transcriber, unlimited audio, unlimited blog posts, unlimited blog posts, unlimited Facebook link and Twitter posts, 50K characters limit, right? OTO number four, agency. OTO number five is agency pro, alright? So yeah, so if you wanted to consider upgrading your account, you can also do that as well. Alright, guys, so I think that would be in this video. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And if you guys use my link down in the description of this video, you will also get access to this amazing bonuses that I custom crafted. That way you can have an additional value if you guys would like to figure it out using my link down in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this review, guys, and I hope to see you in my next review video. Bye. Love you.